Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is from number 3 water hand pump. Alhamdulillah, I provide this village. The village name is Lahar Sharif, near city Tando Muhammad Khan, province Sindh, Pakistan. I will show you the water. Alhamdulillah, this is house from broken house to the hall. This is a living style. It is very backward area and there is many things we need. But Alhamdulillah, first of all, we provide water hand pump from those people and those children. और सब कोई से नहीं होते Alhamdulillah, for this water hand pump name Keluarga Hj Omar bin Razak. Alhamdulillah. Yes, and Amal Malaysia. This is number 3 water hand pump. Alhamdulillah, start Bismillah. Chalao Baba. Our water hand pump number is 2402. Alhamdulillah, yes, and Amal Malaysia and team Amal also support from this thing for water hand pump. I am very thankfully to all of them. May Allah bless you and your family and also Amal Jariya Keluarga Hj Omar bin Razak. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. सब ये करो